to Integration TV. It's been a long time. I'm in a rocky car right now. We're actually in Kismaayo, Somalia, where I live, shockingly. And I'm here, we're heading to Gogwain, and I'm welcoming Omar Deegan. He's a Somali architect from Italy to Kismaayo, Somalia. The brave guy.
The brave guy of Somalia. Straight from Italy to Somalia.
And he hardly speaks Somali.
Yeah, my Somali is very bad. But you know, I'm getting better. I'm getting better. Slowly, but surely.
You know what I loved about your, remember there was that one time I asked you about, like, when you come into Somalia, how you feel about, like what do you tell people when they, like, ask you questions? Like, for instance, at the airport. And then you sent me that voicemail where you said, like, Somali ba na hai? But Somali ko mahadla? Qurban ko so karay?
I said, please, Vlad, let me go.
Please.
I said, diaspora. They say, okay.
Oh, diaspora. They understand that word.
Yeah, they call you. You walk in the city, so it's a normal thing.
So now we're going to go check out Gogwain. You guys will get to see the beautiful Gogwain. But in between, we'll have some conversation. I'll ask you a couple questions and kind of like see how life is. You're so brave. Who moves to Muqdisho without speaking Somali from Italy and just says, I want to set up my business, an entrepreneur there?
No, you know, it was a weird accident, I called it, you know?
Accident?
Yeah, because
nobody goes to Muqdisho by accident.
Yeah, but it happened to me, you know? I didn't expect that. Oh, well, actually, I didn't start with Muqdisho. I started with Daawo.
Even worse.
Even worse. That is what I say. So everything started in there, and it was 2017. Actually, the first time ever that I came to Somalia was 21 of October 2017. So like 4 days after the big blast, 14 October.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
Something like that. Yeah, like 1 week.
Well, I was following you on Twitter.
Yeah, I was in Nairobi when that time happened, and I remember that I was thinking that, you know what? I'm gonna take the flight back to London. I'm not gonna go to Muqdisho, you know? So then it took me like a good week to find the energies and the mental strength to say, you know what, I'm here in Nairobi, let's just go.
Do it,
you know?
yeah. Just like now, we're just gonna do it. We're gonna go to Gogwain.
I'm not gonna lie to you, yeah, and it was like a big shocking and crazy.
Yeah.
And I spent only 1 day in Muqdisho the first time, and then I spent 2 months in Daawo, where I was doing like community center, so we were building a masjid in there, and I spent 2 months in Daawo. And after that, I came back to Muqdisho, and I enjoyed 2 good weeks over there.
Amazing. And then you knew you wanted to stay forever.
No, I didn't know. I said, like, okay, cool, nice. I saw Somalia, then I'm gonna go back to Europe. And then, you know, when they say that you have that kind of, you feel that you miss Africa so much in some part? Yes, with Muqdisho and Somalia is even worse.
I know.
You know? So I came back, it was even winter when I came back to Italy, yeah. And I come from...
And you were like, I can't believe I came back to this.
I come from a village in the mountains, so it was hella cold with snow. I said, you know what? I'd rather go back in there, you know? And then, I don't know, I think actually the community has helped me so much through the social media. So what I was doing, everything started a bit as a joke. I say, you know, I can do something. I worked in different contexts in architecture, so maybe I can do something. Yeah. And then here we are in Kismaayo now.
Amazing.
Yeah, who knows?
And you even been to like the north. You've been to Las Anol. You've been to like Hargeisa. Yeah.
Which is crazy. Small village, 70 kilometers off-road. And now I'm traveling all over the places. My Somali is getting better a bit. Not that much, but it's getting better.
Your Somali is getting better.
But
Wafi anta hadda.
Yeah, alhamdulillah.
Me too, though.
You know, it's just a matter of you know, do the jump. I always say that going to Somalia, you need to do a deep breath, close your eyes, and just jump.
Oh my God, that sounds so scary, though.
It sounds scary, but it's more the idea that we have about Somalia in general. So like you expected the crazy things, while people in here live their normal life. They smile, they laugh. There's like normal life.
Yeah. Well, cool. So we're driving. We're stopped right now. Obviously, police check. Just kidding, guys. But anyways, we're gonna keep going, driving to Gogwain. Follow us on the journey. Welcome Omar Deegan to Integration TV and Kismaayo.
So beautiful Kismaayo.
Hi guys. Integration TV. We still are here in Kismaayo?
Maybe.
Kismaayo, Jubaland? That's right. We're in Gobwain. This is a historic town in just the outskirts of Kismaayo, and we're going to check it out. But before that, Umar, come out. Don't be shy.
No, I'm not shy. I'm not shy.
So we're here in Gobwain. This is a historic town. We see the little houses here.
Yeah.
They're all kind of like torn down now.
Completely different landscape.
Yeah, and I think you like the Akal Somali. That's your favorite thing on your Instagram.
Yeah, that is like a bit of tradition. Yeah? For
Yeah.
me, that I'm an architect, it's always good to see something different.
Yeah, you don't like untraditional things.
No, I don't. I like modernity, but with a touch of tradition. Yeah.
Okay, cool. So we're gonna have tea before we head to the river,
All
where
right,
the
fantastic.
the ocean and the river meet. Is that
A bit of
Gobwain?
shah and shako
Yeah.
shako.
No, shah and shako? No.
Yeah.
No, men are shah, women are shako. Okay,
Oh.
that's the Somali culture. Where's the lady for the shah, honey? Tell us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. طبعا كوب شاه كان. يا عمي يا شاه. طبعا قفتينه. كو لابا صدح أفرشان ليك تدبا سيدين. سجع.
Saga.
طبعا. مقع no شيء جسان. Okay, tell us your names. مقع. سكرية. مختار ما شاء الله. عبد الواهب.
Abdullah.
أذي كده؟ مسعود. أذي أحمد. أحمد نور ما شاء الله. أحمد واحد. أحمد ده هذي كده؟ مصعب. أوكي. شهبا عبينا. أنا قيل ما عبتين. أنا بورة. يا أنا بورة تعال. هذي كده. أنا قيل محمد بوين. أنا قيل هذي كده. قيس يا وياك أنا قيل بعرفه. لكن شاهدي. طبعا كوب كان الشاه. أوكي.
Just for.
ليح كلا نوم مغنية. ليح كوب كان. عروته وكان. Okay, Umar, so you're having tea with the Somali kids. How do you feel being like from Italy and being in Somalia? This is different life. I'm Canadian,
drinking camel tea. Yeah?
and camel tea. Okay, so wait, we have to قفوا بالشاي إنه يمد دواية. And then وعبينا وصل عبينا. صح؟ قف كل شيء مع بكرة. You understand that?
Yes. So we don't drink until they come in the.
Together. Yes, صح right? شهوة وصل عبينا. كل مع عبينا, right? So Umar, what do you feel, man, when you like come back to Somalia and look at this love and beauty?
You know, I think the most beautiful thing is like that everything is different according to where you are.
طبعاً مياه.
Ah.
Okay, ما شاء الله.
Okay.
يا كوب قسني. ما حكوا كودي
He
وين.
was hiding. He was hiding.
أنا قسني. أحمد نور. ما حكوا قسني.
Ah, aniga rinji. Okay.
شاهي سكيل عليه وكلولي هيا. شاهي كلها يسكت علينا. يا. هسكت علينا. وجبني سنة ديكنا. Okay, so Umar, like you're back in Somalia. This is the life. Look at this. Did you ever think
This
you
is-
would be like from Italy, living here, seeing
It's
this?
even different, you know, because I moved to Muqdisho
Yeah.
and now I'm in Kismaayo.
Yeah.
So like
see the
completely,
country.
I see the country is completely different on each side, and it's beautiful,
Exactly.
you know, because like you can have different feelings.
Yeah.
Here is relaxing. It's like going a bit in the countryside. You can have a different kind of life, more like bio life, you know.
Yeah, absolutely. This is the real life. Look at how humble and sweet these children are. Look at how like welcoming, you know?
Yeah.
It's just amazing to me, mashallah. عندك محطني؟ Guess open it. See, he's telling him, let him sit
Yeah.
down. This is what we
Keen, and he's the youngest one.
Guess open it, we'll get read it. Mashallah. So we just got to the farm area of Gobwain. I'm gonna lock the door. And we're gonna go straight now to the bush areas of like the plants. There's watermelon place. There's like all these kind
The
of
jungle.
I know, it looks like South America here, he says. Because you've been to South America probably.
Yeah.
I haven't been to South America yet. But this is cool. So let's join us. We're going to walk straight to the river.
Yes, let's
I can't
go
believe
then.
this.
It's amazing. It's incredible, beautiful, and
Isn't it?
diverse.
I didn't know Kismaayo was this amazing. That's why I made it my home.
Me neither. That's why I'm gonna move in here.
Oh, exactly. Everybody, Kismaayo gusto the weather. Okay, come on. Let's go to the... Thanks so much for joining us from Gob Wayne, Somalia. And Umar, thanks so much for being here with us. And good luck in your career.
Thanks so much.
And welcome back to Somalia. We need more like you.
In Kismaayo.
I'm welcoming all Italians to come back. Just kidding. Somalis from Italy. Bye. Cheers.
Cheers.
Love it. Here we go. Oh my God, this is amazing.